Now moving further, let us see the entire process of election, how it becomes. First is establishment of constituencies. What do you mean by constituencies? Constituencies means area. One entire area. Suppose in Vasai election is to be taken place. Okay. So Vasai will be divided into constituencies. Say 5 constituencies or 6 constituencies. Okay. Division kar dete in area wise. They are known as constituencies. Then the finalizing of the voters list. Then nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination forms, who are going to stand for the elections, filling up of their forms, then checking of their property and everything. Then election campaign, that is, they are removing rally, asking people to vote, advertisement, all those gaadiyan ghum rahi hai, all those, that is known as election campaign. Then the actual voting takes place. After the voting is over, then counting the number of votes to see that who has won. Then the results also they have to declare. They can't say that election ho gaya, abhi hum log ja rahe. The results also to be declared by them. And then in the last, if there is after the election any dispute is there, any fight is there, somebody raises any objection, then all that also they have to take care and sort it out. Now let us see them in detail. First is restructuring of the constituency. Now the total number of members in Lok Sabha is 543. Now how are these members elected? Every member one constituency. So there are 553 members you want. So 543 constituencies बनाए जाएंगे. Suppose from Vasai I want to elect 10 people. So Vasai will be divided into 10 constituencies. Every constituency will have their candidates, and from every constituency one candidate will win and come. Now creating these constituencies is again the responsibility of the Delimitation Commission of Election Commission. Election Commission का एक और commission एक part होता है, that is delimitation. Delimitation मतलब boundaries बनाना. So this is their work. And they are not going to succumb to any pressure while restructuring the constituencies. इसमें बहुत सारे pressures भी हो सकते हैं. For example, if they, one thing is that if they make Vasai as one constituency, and they make Link Road as another constituency, then one person from Vasai will also come and one person from Link Road will also be elected. But suppose if they make Link Road and this Vasai East, Vasant Nagari, everything as one constituency, then only one person will come, and that person has to take care of Link Road also and this also. Okay. Second, what is a code of conduct? Code of conduct का मतलब होता है rules of behavior, how one should behave. Now, to ensure free and fair elections in India, Election Commission has adopted several measures. बहुत सारे rules बनाए so that everything is in the fair. Now, why this is made? So that all the malpractices मतलब wrong practices during the elections, they can be controlled. And this code of conduct explains the rules that are to be followed by the government, by the political parties and voters before the elections and during the elections. So what is code of conduct? It explains the rules that is to be followed by the government, by the political parties as well as the voters before elections and during the elections. Even the government cannot violate the rules due to the strict observance of the code of conduct. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are in power, you are the CM, so you can do anything. No, the rule is for everyone. Now, what are the challenges in conducting free and fair elections? We make the rules and we put it off. But following those rules, making people follow those rules are very difficult. Suppose we take into account our country. The size is so big, the number of voters are so much that conducting elections by a very fair means becomes challenging. Now the Election Commission has to work in accordance with the law while dealing with these challenges. And what are the challenges? First is misuse of money taking place to a great extent during elections. People are blowing money like anything just to win the elections. So the Election Commission has to take several measures to stop such misuse of money. Then many political parties give election tickets to the criminal background people. Gundas. Why? So that people will be scared of them and they can do whatever they want. So this thing has to be stopped. Second thing is lot of violence takes place during the election. There are so many murders taking place, so many fights taking place. So the political parties should help the election commission to control this violence. Okay, now see this green box. They are describing that first time when elections were held in India, many people were illiterate. They couldn't read. They couldn't understand the name of the person. So what they did, suppose they made 20 lakh steel boxes. Okay, and suppose there are 4 contestants. 4 parties हैं और 4 parties के सभी contestant fight कर रहे हैं. So what they did, they had 4 steel boxes. एक के ऊपर कांग्रेस का निशान that is पंजा है, एक पे बीजेपी का कमल है, एक पे आम पार्टी का वो झाड़ू है. Okay, like this, every जिस पार्टी में candidates are there, they had so many steel boxes of the parties, and blank papers were kept over there. Now the candidate who wanted to vote, they would just take one blank paper, and if I want to vote for BJP, so I will put it into the box containing the BJP symbol. If I want to vote for Congress, I will put that blank paper into the box containing the Congress symbol. That is the panja. And afterwards, they would count that which box had the maximum blank papers. So that party won. This is how election was carried out, the first election. Okay.